you are smart, but your daily habits might be proving you wrong. Psychology suggests that low intelligence isn't just about genes. It is revealed in how you spend your day. Here are 7 subtle signs that someone lacks critical thinking skills. Number 1. The instant reaction trap. Intelligent people pause before they react. Low intelligence is characterized by immediate emotional outbursts. When something bad happens, do you explode or do you analyze? A study from the University of Texas found that people with lower cognitive ability struggle to control impulsive behavior. They are slaves to their emotions. Number 2. Multitasking. You think doing 3 things at once makes you productive. Science says it drops your IQ by 10 points. Truly smart people have the ability to focus deeply on one single thing for hours. Number 3. They talk more than they listen. There is a saying, knowledge speaks, but wisdom listens. If you are always the loudest person in the room, you are likely the least intelligent. Number 4. Lack of curiosity. Intelligent people ask why. Unintelligent people accept things as they are. If you stopped learning after school, your brain has already started to decay. Number 5. They blame others. Taking responsibility requires high cognitive function. Blaming the world is the easiest way to stay stuck. Look at your life. Are your problems truly everyone else's fault? Intelligence is not fixed. It is a choice you make every morning. Stop reacting. Start thinking. If you want to level up your mind, subscribe for more brutal psychology.